Hello, I am Anna, digitally created by QD World with artificial intelligence. Forbes projects that e-learning would reach $325 billion by 2025. That's just about 3 years from now. Allow me to introduce QD World eBooks course for educators, teachers, tutors, trainers, and professionals. If you are looking to level up your teaching and training skills, we will teach you to make interactive ebooks. You can learn to turn complex courses into easily understandable infographic interactive ebooks for your students and learners for offline and online e-learning. The confusing modality of teaching students only on webinars lacks clarity, mentoring, and focus on the subject. Educators are struggling to teach their students online due to the instability of internet access and connectivity issues. Downloadable interactive ebooks is the solution for e-learning. Just tap on the link below to download an ebook sample by registering for free.